my name is Anvesha. Today I will show you how to make a hot air balloon and a parachute for playing at home. So my first project me and my brother Harry did is this. I used this Ziploc bag, cut this part off, got one string connected to a ball, and when I tried it out, it didn't work very much. Me and my brother were confused. Look. It doesn't go that much good. So I actually, not my brother, he was there. He was trying to figure out what was wrong. I went to my dad and said, "Hey Daddy, can you help us make a better hot air balloon and parachute?" He said, "Sure." And he said that this is like really light. It's not very heavy, so when we put it down, the air is going to make it really fast. And this box thing, my dad said, when it falls down, the air makes it go slow really down. So the two materials we use is this tweezer, that's what I call it, toothpicks, my scissors, some string, and tape. So for the toothpicks, we poke holes here, so then we could put the strings through. Then this ball, we got the strings and then we taped that there. And then when my dad went downstairs, he got this and this anchor. He twisted it to make it like hooked. And then he, good help for a straw, he put in the straw there and taped it. So he asked me, "What do you think I'm doing?" I said, "Oh, I know. We're going to get a string and pull it so we could control the directions." So that's what we did. And we can also, and my dad also put this there, these two picks, so it doesn't the strings are not mixed up. So if it was, imagine there's no toothpicks, it will be scrambled up. We wouldn't know how to fix it. So when we got the anchor, my dad tied it, and then he said, "I have an idea. Just in case you don't want to play with it, you could unhook it and then put it somewhere. If you want to play with it, you could hook it back like this inside the strings. You could hook it like that, and then it's standing. So when we pull it, it goes up like this, and then when we slowly let go, it goes down." It's pretty fun. So thank you for watching. Bye. And here's my brother who helped me and my dad along with this hot air balloon and parachute project. Now you could try this craft at your home if you have the supplies. Bye.